Right, morning guys. This is just a quick video really. We're going to do a little bit of time lapse on this, but been out on the bike over the weekend. It's now pretty much, it's got a few flies and quite a bit of road dirt on it. So I thought I'd just sort of share with you how I go about cleaning the bike. This is not the definitive how to do it, this is just how I do it. Okay, and bear in mind this bike's got a matte finish, so you can't polish it. Okay, otherwise you ruin everything, you ruin the effect. Okay, so anyway, this is what I use. Okay, so after wetting it down with a normal hose pipe, spray all the engine and running gear with some Muc-off, some motorcycle cleaner. Okay, and then just some brushes to get in all the nooks and crannies before hosing it off. For the body work, now this is the important bit, you can't use normal like zip wax or anything that's going to leave some kind of residue on a matte bike. You have to use a specific matte cleaner, or what I use is this. Okay, it's Autoglym, it's just pure shampoo. It doesn't leave anything behind after you've cleaned it. Okay, so you hose all that off, dry it off with a microfiber, and then to get rid of any smears, it's this stuff, fast glass. It's basically glass cleaner, okay, but it takes off any greasy fingerprints or anything like that on the bike. Alright, so that's the body work. For the wheels, and get rid of all the road dirt and chain lube, it's this WD-40. Okay, I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing, but it does shift the chain lube really well. Okay, so that's what we use, and let's show you how we go about it. Okay then guys, that's it, that's the cleaning all done. Last thing to do, lube the chain. We'll start at a recognisable point and just go all the way around. And there we go. So that's the bike cleaned, chain lubed, and yeah, I'll give it a quick once over. It's quite important to give your bike a clean, and that if you can after you've ridden it, because you notice things. You notice tyre wear, you notice stone chips, you notice brake pad wear, you notice loose nuts and bolts. So yeah, quite important. Anyway guys, that's it. Thank you very much, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Ride safe, bye.